Alright, G people, so here's the second video of me repairing this 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. As you all know, I had problems with the it was a start, the crank and no start. So as I told you guys, I found the problem in the ignition switch, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did after I found the problem, and this is what solved my problem. A lot of you people might have this problem. This switch right here is connected right here to the ignition switch. Okay, down here. This one right here. So I had to wiggle the key so that it would start. And this is the part. The ignition switch goes there for the key. Okay, this is the electronic part of that ignition switch. So I replaced it. I had another Jeep there and I replaced it. And now the lights don't stay on anymore, and it starts right up. That solved my my crank and don't start on the 2000 Jeep Cherokee Laredo. Thank you all.